it's time for the Crown Zenith. Crown Zenith.
How do you say his name?
Who?
The Pokemon's name. Shining...
Shiny Sachan.
Shatan?
Yeah, Shiny Sachan. Crown Zenith. Blue version. The other one is pink.
Different Pokemon.
Yeah. So, open. Ooh. I want that one. I want that one. What?
I'm making sure you did not bruise me.
Mosquito bit you.
Mosquito. You want what?
This one and this one.
$10.
What's Ben?
That's sleeves.
Yeah. It's free sleeve. Ooh, we got free sleeve. I want this one. And this one too.
What is this?
Pin.
It's not a brooch?
No.
This one to go with the other guy you have?
Yes. So we have the 11 package. So
Yeah, but I'm gonna shuffle because this one seems to just pull the good ones. So this time they're just gonna be shuffled up, and we're gonna go pick a pack, any pack.
I'll go first. Ooh. Got here my code cards. Cord. That's right.
So,
Oh.
did she get a trainer
Mew.
gallery? She pulled Mew. Now put it.
$6.75.
Yeah. That is probably a pretty expensive card. And
See?
what's that?
First card you lost.
Oh,
Mr. Meme.
Mr. Mime. Meme. Well, let's meme him.
Done. Your turn. And it's a full card too.
Get more. Ooh, that's cool. And Rayquaza V. And you won.
I won!
But ultimately, I won because I got a Mew.
I got the Mew!
Who keeps the Mew?
I just pulled them out of my package.
Yeah, but I keep him. Yeah.
You
Shuffle,
wish me
shuffle.
luck.
This one, I feel. Oh, I already feel it. I feel the power.
Heart of the cards, guide me.
Trainer card. Trainer card. Pile of trainer cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel it come to me. The power of the Pokemon. The power of the Pokemon. Oh, that's nice.
What's that?
That's toxicity.
Toxicity. Yeah. Come on. Cold card.
You're going backwards.
What?
And here's her rare. Oh. She won.
What now?
That's secret rare Pikachu. How the fuck?
Sorry. Sorry, you owe me dinner again for a whole week.
I don't understand how this even is possible.
You still owe me a 4 days lunch plus dinner if I want every package. So sorry, my love. That's the way it is. So what now? Price check.
That's a $15 card.
$15 card. Imagine that. 2-0.
I'm really hoping we pull something really nice out of here now.
You wanna shuffle again?
You shuffle. Let her shuffle.
My
Let's
turn
see.
first.
So as far as I know, there's no way to tell.
My code card. So
Energy and
energy.
this is a rare. Oh yeah, she's losing this time. Ooh, I like him, but you're losing.
What?
Those are your rares. Just like that.
You wish.
I wish. My turn. Me turn. Here we go. Here we go. And oh, we have that one. What?
Who's that?
Shuffle, my dear. Shuffle. No, shuffle, my dear.
Oh,
Why? Because you lose?
alternate.
I did the first two.
Well,
Are you sure you want that one? What about
Yeah.
this one? What about this one?
come
No, no,
on. You go first. What is it?
Yugi! Yu-Gi-Oh! Grandpa, give me the power of the cards!
No, ma.
Look,
Grandma.
look. Code card.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4. Put that.
Okay.
And go from front to back, because that's your rare start now.
You go first.
Energy. Lightning. Lost Vacuum. Great Ball. Sorok. Energy Search. I don't know what your name is. Can't see.
Who's that?
Ringu. And ooh. Not exactly what I was. Oh, he is legendary though.
My code card. Let's start from the front. Shiny.
Ooh.
And I don't know what to do.
See, hello? Hello?
No.
Dragon Llama.
Come on. Go on the bottom.
Me.
Ah,
That's your rare.
it's a tie now.
Or shall we rock, paper, scissors for who gets 2 packs?
Okay. I lost.
Shuffle. Shuffle.
No, just pick one. You're opening 2. Go ahead.
I think I'm winning this one. Because we
You
tie.
You wish.
We're at a tie right now.
Yeah?
And if I pull a better card in both, I got 2 packs, you got 1.
Okay.
Watch her pull like the alternate art.
What?
Watch you pull the like the rarest card. Or your 1.
Huh?
Fighting. Executor. Oh yeah. I think I just beat her with that one pack. I don't even know if I gotta open the other one. Let's open the other one. I think I'm finally winning. My luck has turned around. Unless you pull like an alternate art Rayquaza or something.
I have my lucky last piece.
Oh god. 234. Vista! Nothing in those. I'm not even gonna bother putting them to the front because I've already won. Oh, and
I got this already last
yeah,
time.
but beat these 2. This is
Wish me luck, guys. Woo! Wish me luck, shorties. Let's do this.
the wolf pack has it.
Huh?
The wolf pack has it.
I got gold.
I am the wolf pack, and these are my followers. My 15 subscribers.
Come on, shorties. Let's win this. Ooh. My code card. One. A 2. A 3. Why are you here? A 4. This one. And this one. And this one. Are you ready? And this one. You ready? And this one. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for you to lose. Yeah.
Ta-da! What are these?
Are they rare? Oh, you lost. Well, he's rare, but not all of you lost.
Lunch and dinner tie up.
I see.
Back to 0. No free dinner, no free lunch, so